In today's video, we're diving into how to automate lead nurturing with Outgrow, a powerful platform that can revolutionize how you interact with potential customers. If you're wondering how you can streamline and automate your lead nurturing process while providing personalized experiences, you're in the right place. Stick with me to the end and I'll show you exactly how you can get started with a Chase free trial of Outgrow and unlock exclusive bonuses just for you. Outgrow is a platform designed to help you create interactive content like quizzes, surveys, calculators, and assessments. Content that not only engages your audience but helps you capture valuable data. By integrating this interactive content into your lead nurturing process, you can personalize each interaction with potential customers, nurturing them from cold leads to qualified prospects. You'll also be able to segment your audience based on their responses, ensuring that the right messages reach the right people at the right time. Let's start with the basics. How does Outgrow help with lead nurturing? First off, it allows you to create lead capture forms seamlessly integrated into interactive experiences. Whether you're running a quiz or offering a personalized recommendation, Outgrow ensures you gather key information from your leads like name, email, preferences, and pain points right from the start. But it doesn't stop there. Once you've collected that data, Outgrow takes it a step further by automating follow-up emails based on the answers your leads provide. Imagine nurturing leads based on what they're interested in without lifting a finger. By automating this process, you save time and ensure that your leads receive the right follow-up messages that align with their needs and interests. This is key in lead nurturing, providing relevant, timely, and personalized content at every stage of the customer journey. With Outgrow's robust analytics and insights, you can track how well your lead nurturing efforts are performing, optimizing your strategy for better results over time. Whether you're nurturing through email campaigns, retargeting ads, or personalized content, Outgrow's automation tools ensure you're always in touch with your audience without the manual effort. Another huge benefit of Outgrow is its ability to integrate with other tools you might already be using. You can sync Outgrow with your CRM, email marketing software, and more, creating a seamless workflow that boosts your productivity and drives better results. The platform also lets you use custom branding and design elements, ensuring your lead nurturing campaigns feel professional and on brand. And here's the best part. Outgrow doesn't just help you automate lead nurturing. It empowers you to engage with your leads in a fun and meaningful way. When you give your audience something interactive to engage with, whether it's a quiz, a cost calculator, or a survey, you're not only collecting data, you're building a relationship. This leads to more qualified leads and higher conversion rates, which is exactly what we want from lead nurturing. For anyone new to Outgrow, the learning curve is minimal, the interface is intuitive, and creating engaging interactive content is as easy as dragging and dropping elements into place. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, Outgrow can help you level up your lead nurturing efforts, ensuring your business keeps growing and thriving. Now, if you're interested in automating your lead nurturing with Outgrow, I've got something special for you. You can start using this incredible software completely free with our exclusive bonus offer. Just click the first link in the description below to get your hands on Outgrow and start automating your lead nurturing today. Remember, the longer you wait, the more opportunities you miss out on. Outgrow's automation tools can be the game changer your business needs to turn leads into customers efficiently and effectively. Start now and see for yourself how much time and effort you can save while improving your lead nurturing process. So don't miss out. Get your exclusive and extended free trial through the link below and start using Outgrow to automate your lead nurturing today.